Good morning, students. Welcome you all to today's class. So children, in our today's class, that means in our Mind Spark class, today's class, we are not going to discuss about Mind Spark topic. But here, today, we are going to learn about textbook topic that is called Compare and Order 5-digit numbers. But children, at sharp 10 o'clock, I'll be uploading one worksheet related to the Mind Spark topic, that is addition. You have to complete that worksheet within half an hour and you have to submit it, right? So the topic which I am going to discuss with you all is about the compare and order of 5-digit numbers. Now the objective. What is the objective of this topic? To understand how to compare and order 5-digit numbers. Children, you have learned how to compare and order 2-digit numbers. You have also learned about 3-digit numbers and you have also learned about 4-digit numbers. Now, we are going to learn about how to compare and order the large numbers. That means the 5-digit numbers. And already I have discussed with you all in the last class that the place value of large numbers, then expanded form of the large numbers, that is called 5-digit numbers. Right, then writing periods, writing the numbers using periods, all these things I have already discussed with you all, right? So another topic which we are going to learn is about the comparing and order of 5-digit numbers. Comparing means we will compare which one is greater, which one is smaller, right? And order of 5-digit numbers means arrangement of the large numbers from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. That things we are going to learn in our today's class, right? So let's start our topic one by one. First, we are going to learn about comparing 5-digit numbers. So as I already told you, the comparing means we have to see which one is greater and which one is smaller. So let us take an example to understand this topic. Okay, let's take 89,315 and 29,521. Now, we are going to compare these two numbers. Both are 5-digit numbers. Now, how to compare these two numbers? How we will know that this number is bigger than that and this number is smaller than that? Children, to compare 5-digit numbers, place value will help us to compare the numbers easily. Right? There's a certain steps to compare the numbers. As you know, lesser number of the digits means it is a smaller number, and we always start comparing numbers by seeing its place value. Right? Now, here you see, both are 5-digit numbers. So, by looking at its place value, we can easily compare these 5-digit numbers. Right? So, first we will see from the largest place value. Look at here, in 10,000 place, this digit numbers. In 10,000 place, which number is there in this? Number 8. So here, in 10,000 place, what is the number? 2. So here you can see 8 is greater than 2. So by seeing the first digit only, easily we can say 89,315 is greater than 29,521. So we use greater symbol to compare the numbers. Not only the greater symbol, we use greater than, smaller than, or equal to symbol to compare the 5-digit. Not only 5-digit numbers, to compare the numbers. Right? We use these symbols to compare numbers. By seeing the 10,000 place, easily we get that 89,000 315 is greater than 29,521. Let's take another example. 72,315, 92,855. So how we will compare these two numbers? Both are 5 digit. Alright. First we will see the 10,000 place. As I have already told you, place value help us to compare the numbers easily. Look at this number. In this number, what is the number in the 10,000 place? That's 7. So in another number, what is the number in the 10,000 place? This is 9. By seeing these two numbers, easily we can say 9 is greater than 7. Yes or no? 9 is greater than 7. Then from here easily we can say that 92,855 is greater than 72,350. Alright? So by seeing the place value, we can compare the numbers. Now let's take another example. Let's take another example C. Example number 3. 63,456. 62,321. This side 63,456 and this side 62,321. Which number is greater? Now, if we see here, in a 10,000 place, both the number, the digits are same. So, we will proceed to the next place. Alright? If, as the first digit is in both the numbers is same, 10,000 place is same, then we will proceed to the next place value. Alright? So, these two is same. So, we cannot find it out from by saying these two digits. So, we will proceed to next digit. So, in this number, what is the place value of 3? It's a 1000. Here 3, we will see the 1000 place. In this number in 1000 place 3 is there. And in this number in 1000 place 2 is there. By seeing this easily, we can say that 3 is greater than 2. Right? So, which number is greater? 63,456 is greater than 62,321. So, 63,456 is greater than 62,321. Right? So, children, the knowledge of place value help us to clear the concept of comparing the 5-digit numbers. Right? Easily, it will help us to compare the number on both the left and right hand side. Okay, children? So, this is how we compare the 5-digit numbers. And what are the symbols we use to compare the 5 numbers? We use greater than symbol, smaller than symbol, and equal to symbol. Right? Just remember certain steps. If the 10,000 place is same, then you proceed to the another place. That is 1000 place. If there is both side 1000 places same, then you start comparing the 100 place. Right? Like this, you can do the comparison. Clear? So, I have this comparing of 5-digit numbers clear. So, these are the symbols we use to compare the numbers. Now, we are going to learn ordering of 5-digit numbers. Let's order 5-digit numbers. Order 5-digit numbers means ascending and descending order. Right? So, children, how to arrange the number in ascending and descending for 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, you have learned. Now, how to arrange 5-digit numbers from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. That we are going to learn here. Okay? Ascending order. Numbers that are arranged from smallest to the greatest are said to be ascending order, or we can say increasing order. Descending order. Numbers that are arranged from the largest to the smallest, that are called decreasing order, or we call it descending order. Right? So, I have taken one example, okay, to understand this concept about the ascending order. Okay, let's look at this example. Example is what? Arrange in ascending order. Certain 5-digit numbers are given. Then what you have to do? You have to arrange them in an ascending order. So children, what are ascending order? The numbers that are arranged from smallest to the biggest, that are called ascending order, or we can call it as an increasing order. Now, look at this number. First you have to observe. And here also place value will help us to arrange the number in a proper way. Alright. Now look at this. First you have to observe. Look at this. 32,156, 22,940, 85,218, 83,260. Alright. So we will see what 10,000 place. First one is 32,000, then 22,000, 85,000, 83,000. Now, from these numbers, which one is the smallest one? By observing this, we can say that 22,000 will come. It's the smallest one. So, which number will come first? 22,000. As you can see here, 2 is smaller than 3, right? Then 3 is smaller than 8. Here, these two 10,000 places same. 2 is smaller than 3, and here we are just taking the 10,000 place. 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is the smaller than this 8, right? So, which number will come first? 22,940. Okay, next, the smallest number 3, it is 3 is smaller than 8. So next one will come. By seeing the 10,000 place, easily we can compare. 32,156. Next, here both 10,000 places 8, same. So which one we will see? We will compare to the 1,000 place. Now in this number 1,000 place is 5, and in this number 1,000 place is 3. So as we know, 3 is smaller than 5. So third, which number will come? 83,216. And the last, 85,218. As I have already told you, while comparing an order of 5-digit numbers, place value will help us to do this part clearly. Okay, it helps us to do in a proper way. So, if the 10,000 place is same, children, you compare the 1,000 place. If the 1,000 place is also same, then you proceed to the next one, that is called 100 place. Right? So, you have to compare like this by seeing the numbers place value. Right? Now, here you see 22,000. Ascending order means from the smallest to biggest. 22,940 is the smallest, then 32,156, then 83,260, then 85,280. So this is how we compare the large number, or we compare the 5-digit numbers by saying its place value from the largest place value, that is from 10,000. If 10,000 place is same, then we will compare the 1,000 place. If 1,000 place is same, we will compare the 100 place. Like this we will proceed. Now, if I say these numbers, arrange them in a descending order. How we will do? We will do reverse. Descending order means numbers that are arranged from largest to the smallest, that are called descending order, or we call it decreasing order. Right? So let's write decreasing order, or we can say descending order. In descending order, same number, how we will write? Descending order. Descending order. Right? These numbers, how we will write in descending orders? Again, we have to see the place value. Now, in this number you can see here, we see the 10,000 place. Again, same. 8 is greater. Here, in this two number, the 10,000 place is same. So here we will see what? The 1,000 place. 5, then 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So which number will come first? 85,218. Then 83,216. Now, which number? These two number here you see, as 3 is greater than 2. So next number will come 32,156, and the last, the smallest one, is 22,940. Alright, descending order is the reverse of ascending order. Ascending order, what we do? We arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest. In descending order, what we do? We arrange the numbers from the largest to the smallest. So from the same example, I have shown you in ascending order and in descending order. Clear, children? What we do? For comparing and also ordering the 5-digit numbers, we will see what the place value concept. Right? We'll see the place value of the numbers. First we will see the 10,000 place. If 10,000 place is same, then we'll see the 1,000 place. Right? If the 1,000 place is same, then we'll see the 100 place. And this process will help us to compare or order the 5-digit numbers easily. Children, before winding up our today's session, let's give a quick recap of the things which we have learned in our today's class. So in our today's class, we have learned about comparing an order of 5-digit numbers. Right? So in comparing, what you have learned? How to compare the 5-digit numbers. That means how to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. Right? That of large numbers. And after that, we have learned about the order of 5-digit numbers, that is the ascending and descending order. So ascending order, numbers that are arranged from the smallest to the largest, and that are called ascending order, or we call it increasing order. And the descending order, numbers that are arranged from the largest to the smallest, we call it descending order, or we call it decreasing order. Okay? So children, keep practicing the topics which I have discussed in all through this session. So practice it all. In our next class, we are going to learn about how to form numbers. Right? How to form the numbers, forming numbers. Our next topic is about the forming numbers. Clear? So keep practicing all these numbers. Right? Ascending, descending, then comparing numbers, place value chart, then writing number using periods, expanded form. So all this you do practice. Clear? So till then, thank you.